हाय बच्चों, योर रिजल्ट्स कैन बी आउट एनी टाइम। 3 चीज़ें आपको बताने जा रही हूँ। नंबर 1, डोंट वरी, बी रिलैक्स, डोंट टेक अनड्यू स्ट्रेस, डोंट टेक any step which you will be regretting later. Don't worry, it's okay. जैसा भी होगा, we are with you. Don't you worry, don't take stress, don't worry unnecessarily, please. कुछ बुरा नहीं हो सकता लाइफ में, स्पेशली एग्जाम्स जैसे मर्जी हो, यू ऑलवेज गेट अनदर चांस टू इम्प्रूव, सो प्लीज डोंट वरी एट ऑल. Number 2, don't take any hasty decisions. Whenever you're very upset, whenever you're very happy, you should never take any hasty decision. Don't get into calling, suddenly asking all your friends, calling all of them, talking to them suddenly. कई बार बुरा लगता है, अच्छा लगता है. Don't get into any comparisons right now. Don't get into any kind of judgments. Just sit, relax. देखिए अपना रिजल्ट, इंट्रोस्पेक्ट कीजिए, जैसा भी होता है. इफ इट्स अ गुड रिजल्ट, गो टू अ टेम्पल, प्रे, थैंक गॉड. देयर आर so many of the students will not make it today. If it's a bad result, there is always another chance that life will give you. So don't worry, don't take any hasty decision, don't get stressed, don't get worried. And most importantly, whatever happens, I'm always with you. So God bless you, God bless you, God bless you.